Hey YouTube, it's me, Shay the Natural. I know it's been a long time, but I did promise you all this video. I am recording from my phone in my bathroom. This is just a last minute recording, but I wanted to get this out to you guys as soon as possible because I am going to take this hair out tomorrow. So the hair that I have installed in my hair right now is the Sensational Bare Natural hair. For all the details, you can watch my Fashion Queen video, and it's the thumbnail is my sister, and she has green hair in that one. So, but at the end of that video, I show you what it looks like the first time where I put this hair in. So you can take a look at that. Now, this is 3 bundles, and it's the inches 16 and 2/18. So this is what it looks like. It's been a month and a couple of weeks. So this is what the hair looks like. Mind you, I have my hair out in front, like you could tell. But this hair, it lasted a pretty long time, but right now, like, you can't really see it. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'll put it on my face like that. But it sheds a lot now. And when I have it out, it just gets all tangled up together. And I have to carry a brush with me and constantly brush it out. But then when I do brush it out, it's like, oh, you can't even see that right there, but it's a bunch of hair. So you can't even see it, but it sheds a lot. So, and like I said, for the price that I paid for this hair, what I suggested, I want to say, I want to think about it real quick. But I'm going to say this. This is what I'm going to say. It kept its sheen. It kept a nice, beautiful sheen. This is a natural wave that it came in. Excuse me. Hold on one second. Hey, you guys. I'm back. I just about coughed my lungs out just a few seconds ago. That's why my eyes are really red right now, if you could tell. But anyway, beside the point. It kept its sheen for a very long time. It's a natural body wave. I did flat iron it a couple of times and I did wash it. It took the shampoo and conditioner very well. The conditioner didn't weigh it down. I used the Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. It sheds a lot. That's what I'm going to say about it. It sheds a lot. Like, sorry, wrong, not a good angle. But the Amazon hair that I bought didn't shed like this. This hair sheds a lot. And I know, in my Moom hair video, somebody said they purchased the Moom hair and it ended up shedding a lot on them. That hair, I didn't have that problem with that hair, with the Moom hair, but with this one, it sheds a lot. Like, every time I run my hands through, you can't even see it right now, but because of the video. But it sheds. It, like, I'm just getting, like, maybe if I come up against this curtain, maybe you'll be able to see it better. I don't know. Up against that white like that, probably not, but I'm gonna run my hands through it again just to show you and see. I'm hoping you can see all of that. I know you see that right there. That's the shit I'm talking about. To me, I spent I think $168 on all 3 of these bundles from the beauty supply store, and it's shedding like this. Nope. I'll stick to my Amazon hair. Call me cheap if you want to, but the Amazon hair lasted, and it did not shed like this. This is ridiculous. Let me show you again. Put this door. Just all of that. Every time I put my hands through my hair, I can see maybe once or twice when I put my hands through my hair, but every time, y'all, it should not do that. Especially for the amount of money that I spent on it. So, I just wanted to go ahead and make this video nice, short, and sweet. Just to let you guys know my viewpoints on this hair. Like I said, it's soft and it's shiny. I just wish it did not shed the way it does. If it did not shed like this, I would definitely purchase this hair again. No doubt about it. Because when I got it, the ends were nice. In the first, let me say the first maybe 2-3 weeks, it did not shed like this. It didn't, I mean, like, no, all hair sheds, but it did not shed like this. The first 3 weeks, it was good. It was beautiful. But now, all of that. Look at it. Like, right there. That's not cute. You can't be walking in the street with your hair falling out like that. And you can't walk around with a brush in your purse all day at one time. Like, the hair should not clump together like that. And it shouldn't shed like that. So, my personal opinion, I won't buy it again. Not if I have a choice between this and some Amazon bundles. Now, not all Amazon bundles, just the ones that I've tried so far that I let you know about that I would retry. But this right here, it's a no go for me. Like I said, it was very pretty, very soft. I liked the natural body wave. That was nice. But this shit and the whole want to stick together as a unit, just no, not for me. And I keep getting all of that. I'm hoping y'all can see that once again. I know y'all like, okay, we get it, but I just want y'all to see that. $168 of you shit like that. That's a no. Anyway, so my next video that I post, I'm going to try to post another makeup tutorial for you guys. And I'm also going to post my review on some other Amazon hair that I ordered from a different vendor. And compare that hair to this hair so you can really see what I'm talking about. And we'll see. Like, this is stiff. And I didn't put any product in it either. Like, for it to be stiff like this. Like, it doesn't, look at that. It just kind of clumps down. It's soft, but look, shouldn't fall like that, y'all. Should be nice and flowy still. Like, it's been washed and everything and then all that shit. And excuse my nails, but yeah. It's not worth your money, ladies. If you got the choice, head on to Amazon. Get you some nice bundles, cheaper bundles. 3 full bundles, cheaper than this. Save your coins and your peace of mind. So stay natural, ladies. I will see you next time.